To enable voice access on a Samsung phone, start by going to the Settings menu. This can be found on the home screen or by swiping down from the top of the screen and tapping the gear icon. Once in the Settings menu, scroll down and select Accessibility. In the Accessibility menu, look for the Interaction and Dexterity section and select Voice Assistant. This will take you to a new menu where you can choose which voice assistant to use, such as Bixby or Google Assistant. Choose the voice assistant you want to use and follow the on-screen instructions to set it up. You may need to agree to terms and conditions and allow the voice assistant to access certain features on your phone. Once the voice assistant is set up, you can enable voice access by going back to the Accessibility menu and selecting Voice Access. This will allow you to control your phone using voice commands, such as opening apps, making calls, and sending messages. To use voice access, you will need to say the wake word, such as Hi Bixby or OK Google. To activate the voice assistant, you can then give voice commands to perform various actions on your phone. It is also a good idea to customize the voice assistant settings to suit your needs. For example, you can change the wake word, adjust the sensitivity of the voice assistant, and choose which apps to use with voice access. Enabling voice access on a Samsung phone can be very useful for people who have difficulty using the touch screen or for those who want to use their phone hands-free. By following these steps and customizing the voice assistant settings, you can get the most out of voice access and use your phone more efficiently.